Hello everybody, it's time for Cooking with Zoe. Today's menu, we have fruit kebabs. Now, to create this at home yourself, you can use any fruit that you like, that your children likes. Today I have chosen strawberries, bananas, pears, and some apples. I've got green and red. Now I've gone ahead already before this video, cut them all up just to save some time. All you'll need to do is cut them up into small little pieces, like so. You'll also need some kebab sticks or skewers. You can purchase these from Coles, Woolworths, any local supermarket close to you. Now let's get started. So you'll pick up your skewer like this, pointy end at the top, and pick up your fruit and just push your fruit down in the skewer, and that's all you'll need to do for this video. So simple. The children at home are gonna love doing this with you, your mums, dads, everybody. Now I've gone ahead and I've made two. So using the same method as before, pointy end up, putting the fruit on and down. I would like you guys to send me in some videos or some photos of your creations and your fruit kebabs. This is definitely such a fun way and a really good cooking experience to enjoy with the family. I hope you like Cooking with Zoe. Stay tuned for next time.